What can be found once in a minute, twice in a moment, but never in 1,000 years?
Which can level this one, brother? What's happened there?
This is Emmanuel from Crypto TV Plus, and once again, I'm on the streets of Lagos. But this time around, I'll be asking a riddle. A riddle, you heard that right. And the riddle is what can be found once in a minute, twice in a moment, but never in 1,000 years. Don't go anywhere as you try and get people's responses.
Second.
That was close, but better luck next time.
I would say true love.
Why true love?
Because it's unconditional, and a whole lot of things right now are really based on condition. So true love right now is really, the iceberg is really rare.
70 years old man.
I think to my own understanding of your question, based on your question, just like when you see Jesus Christ, you get months. If you sin, you can see you have another chance. But after you die, maybe in 1,000 years, you can't get him again.
Once in a minute, twice in a moment. M.
Yeah, correct. Okay, the first person actually got that question now. The second,
I'm smart.
who in the Bible do you think could have been a Bitcoin trader?
Let me think.
You know, be Christian. Why you want take time think?
Judas Iscariot.
Why? You go like explain.
He like money, he takes money, he multiply money, he do everything about money, he sell you for money, so that's it.
Judas Iscariot.
Why?
He was good with money now, since he stole like the money. So I feel like, why not
Okay, do you like money?
me?
Yeah.
Of course now.
So can you do what Judas Iscariot did? Don't lie, everybody will watch you, don't lie.
You know, it depends on the circumstance, but I can't.
You say it depends how much you can actually sell something for money.
No, I can't.
Sure.
I can't.
Probably Judas Iscariot.
Why?
The guy loves money. I mean, the Bible, every reference to him is about money. Even when the oil was pasted on Jesus, he was complaining that why waste this oil instead of selling it to make money.
Seems you know your Bible very well. Okay, now let me ask you, do you like money?
Of course, I like money.
So can you do what Judas Iscariot did?
Depending on the time, of course I can. As in between Jesus.
See, I say you can sell your friend for money. That's what you're trying to say. Are you sure? But you say you like money now.
I like money. Someone who says he doesn't like money is an hypocrite.
You can do what Judas Iscariot did.
Yeah, if it's legal. I mean, I can't sell my friend obviously, but on the legal terms, money is something that we all need, we all after. I mean, what's the use of life without money?
Solomon might have been one, but I think the guy that Jesus told to go and get coin from the mouth of the fish.
Why do you think Solomon could have been the one?
I mean, with all those wealth, he would have loved to invest it in something that would develop more generational wealth. Something.
Well, I would say Solomon, but apparently Solomon is already rich, so I don't think he would want to trade because he's got all the money already. So
is it Barnabas? I don't know. The tax collector. I don't know for what is his name. I don't know that it's Barnabas, the tax collector, because it's supposed to.
Judas Iscariot.
Why Judas?
You're going to sell Jesus Christ for money. So basically, he was like, he took the risks, and Bitcoin traders have to take like risks and everything.
Let me ask you a question now. Do you like money?
Yeah, everybody has like.
So do you think you can do what Judas Iscariot did to Jesus Christ?
I'm not athlete. I can't do it.
That means you don't like money now.
If I like money, it's based on that. Then I don't really like money.
As you've heard it from the streets of Lagos, guys, now let me ask you, what do you think the answer to the riddle will be? Let us know in the comment section down below. Don't forget to follow us all across our social media platform at Crypto TV Plus, and also don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Once again, this is Emmanuel, and see you next time. Bye.